Most people see a pile of denim scraps. I see the beginning of a new fabric. You may have seen this patchwork I've made with perfect squares, and I use this technique to make a throw blanket. But with these scraps, since they are all different sizes and shapes, you have to carefully select them. Also, when dealing with scraps, you don't need to have the perfect squares or the perfect rectangles. You just work with what you have. You cut random shapes, you can cut random squares or random rectangles. What you need to have in mind is the length that you want and the width that you want. For my case, I wanted a length of 45 inches and a width of 15 inches. So I decided to combine three pieces to form 15 inches width, and then from there I just now stitch until I get to the 45 inches that I wanted. And then with scraps, they allow you to use as many pieces as you have, so that you reduce the amount of waste that you'll eventually discard. It is also important to give the fabric a good press and top stitch. Top stitch as it adds some design on your fabric, as well as just making everything lay down. I will be using this fabric to make a tote bag that I've never made before, and I hope you'll stay tuned for my next video to see what becomes of this. Thank you for watching.